Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Once again, we are in Liberia. Very close to Liberia, where we live down on the coast, so we come up here often. But today we're gonna do a little bit of a different video. We're gonna walk around Liberia for a little bit. We're gonna show some of the shopping that you can do in Liberia. I'm gonna let the lady take care of that, the shopping master. So once again, this is Liberia in Guanacaste. The airport is just right down this road here, and that'll take you further to Tamarindo, Coco, Hermosa, all those cool places, all those tourist destinations. Liberia is a bigger city where you can find a lot of stuff, and it's a pretty cool city. It's great for walking around. There's tons of little shops, tons of restaurants here, and tons of shopping. So if you need something, you're probably gonna come through Liberia to get it. I'm just gonna walk in the middle of the road here. Why not? So what we'll do is we'll wander around for a little bit, and then we'll do some drone footage. We'll look at Liberia through the lens of a drone. So it's a bit of a gloomy day today. A little overcast, it was just raining. It's about to be dry season though, so lots of sunny days coming into November 2022 is when we're here. So if you're flying down here, let me know what brings you here. Leave a comment below. Check out sightsandsounds.co. As always, subscribe right here at Sights and Sounds. And drop us a comment with any requests or questions you have, any clarification. I can try my best. But in the meantime, while we're walking up to our first shopping destination, let's get that drone up and we'll see what Liberia looks like from the sky.
Alright, so we are currently at El Rey. This is on the main strip as soon as you enter Liberia. Okay, so El Rey pretty much has everything that you need. From party supplies to candies that you can put into your gift boxes or gift bags. There's so much options that you can choose from here. They even have piñatas. As you can see, they got tons of balloons and decorations for your parties. They've got tons and tons of party supplies here. They even have some floaties here, body boards, some organizing things for your house, certificates, pillows, literally everything that you need. El Rey pretty much has it here. They've got some towels, anything for your shower, bathroom. And they also have some art supplies here and some school supplies as well. They also have their Christmas decorations out that they just put out not too long ago. And if you're into gardening, they've got gardening supplies here as well. So as you can see, they literally have everything. And back here, they've got some clothes that you can kind of go through. So it's almost like a one-stop shop. We got sandals. And they also have some stuff for your kitchen here, which is really cool. They've got many options that you can choose from. They have a snow cone maker. Yeah, so it's pretty cool here. So the next store we're going to check out is called Icono. It's actually one of my favorite stores here in Costa Rica. It's also on the main strip from when you enter into Liberia from Playas del Coco. So let's go inside. Now I would compare Icono to a Marshall's or a Winners. When you come into the store, you're first going to see the women's clothing on the left-hand side, and then on the right, you're going to see the men's clothing. Now there's some swimwear here, and then they've got activewear, lingerie, a lot of stylish clothes here, and shoes, purses. And this is the men's side. Again, very stylish. And there's also a pharmacist that you can see while you're shopping if you need anything. So a lot of good options here. Okay, so let's go up to the second floor. So they also have all of the Christmas decorations out. Isn't it just so pretty? And then across there, you've got the kids' clothing. So again, they've got some kitchenware here. Look how pretty that one looks. It's gold and silver. Some Tupperwares. Now if you need anything for your house here, you know, that's really cool and chic, you can find them here. Now those are pretty cool, I would say. What do you guys think? Now we're coming into the kids section here. There's toys here, which is great for Christmas because it's about a month and a half away, I think. I don't even know what the date is, but you know, it's coming close. Now if you need anything for the beach, they've got them here. They got coolers, pools, wagons that will fold so it's easier to put away. So I think that's pretty neat. The kids' clothes are just so cute. It kind of almost looks like Gap, like the Gap style that you can find in their store. If you're looking for anything stylish and chic, this is one of the stores to go to. There's just so many pretty options that you can choose from here. Like, look how pretty that tree looks. So this next store that we're gonna go to, it's a toy store. It's a 3-level toy store here in Liberia. and it's right across from Maxi Pally. Look how cute it is. They've got a door for little kids and for the adults. This is the first floor. You're going to see some of the girls' toys here. They got Barbies and My Little Pony. They have some makeup and nail stuff here as well. If your kids like to play house, they've got some stuff here. Yeah, food, tea, cups. They also have some baby toys here as well. Now they got the strollers and cribs and playpens. And like they've got a net cover for if you're going to be outside. And this is the second floor. You'll find mostly all of the boys' toys up here. Got some Hot Wheels. They also have games here. Just gonna be all in Spanish. So if you wanna learn Spanish, this would be a good way to learn, is by playing games in Spanish. And they've got some science stuff here that you could do with the kids. And on this side, this is their blocks. I don't think they've got the Lego brand here. So if you do want the Lego brand, you'd have to go to San Jose. They do have a Lego store there. All right, so this is the third floor. And they've got cars here. And 4x4s. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Got a foosball table.
All right, guys, thanks for joining here on Sights and Sounds. Hope you enjoyed that video here in Liberia, Costa Rica, province of Guanacaste. Hope to see you here soon down on the Pacific coast. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe for more videos of our travels when we're heading around here. Check out sightsandsounds.co and check the links below for all the cool stuff that I find useful or interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye now.